Namaskar. Today in this video we will discuss the very important, very widely used, the mole concept. It is very much important for +1, +2 classes as well as for competitive classes. So let us start the mole concept. Just like we mentioned dozen for 12 particles, we use the word century for 100 runs or 100 years. Likewise, to express 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles, we use the word mole. Mole is nothing but a collection of 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. Now the question is, where does this digit come from? Actually, when we take mass of one carbon atom, then it is equal to 12 AMU. The mass of one carbon atom is 12 AMU, and we all know this AMU unit is very small. It is negligible actually. So we wanted that the mass of carbon atom should be expressed in grams. So when 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 carbon atoms were present, their mass was 12 gram. So this is how this digit was introduced. It means the mass of one carbon atom is in AMU, but if we want to express the mass of carbon atoms in grams, then we have to use this number. And this is true for carbon. Similarly, this is true for all the atoms of the periodic table. Now, when this number of atoms of any element will be there, then their mass will be expressed in grams. For example, 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 H atoms, it will be equal to 1 gram. Same number of O atoms, it will be equal to 16 grams. It means whenever this much atoms will be present, their mass will be expressed in grams. So we can say that we have expressed mole in terms of mass. We have expressed mole in terms of mass. Now we can define the mole in the following way. For example, one mole may be defined as the number of particles, means atoms, ions, molecules, etc., which are equal to the number of carbon atoms present in 12 gram of C12. So this is the definition of one mole. One mole may be defined as the number of atoms, ions or molecules which are equal to the number of carbon atoms present in 12 gram, and which isotope we will use? C12. So this is the definition of mole concept. Now mole can be expressed in volume also, in terms of volume also. And what is that? First of all, we will introduce STP. STP is standard temperature and pressure. STP is standard temperature and pressure. It is nothing but any temperature at 1 bar pressure. What is STP? Any temperature at 1 bar pressure. So mole in terms of volume may be expressed as at STP, when STP is maintained, at STP 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of any gas, but when at STP, 1 mole of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liter volume. 1 mole of any gas, whether it is oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, neon, etc. But the condition should be that STP is maintained, then it will occupy 22.4 liter volume. Actually, the volume ranges from 22.4 liter to 22.6 liters, but at least 22.4 liter volume will be occupied. So this is the expression of mole in terms of volume. So if we conclude, then mole can be expressed in the following different ways, or you can say 1 mole. 1 mole in terms of number, 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 in terms of number. In terms of mass, 1 mole is equal to gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass, in terms of mass. Now in terms of volume, mole in terms of volume is equal to 22 you can say 4 liter, but at STP. And mole in terms of charge, if we want to express mole in terms of charge, then it will be 96500 coulomb. Whenever 96500 coulomb charge will be there, it means there are 1 mole electrons or 1 mole protons. So this is mole concept. And why we have expressed mole in terms of number, in terms of mass, in terms of volume, in terms of charge? Because mole is a very, very large quantity. According to a calculation, if we spend 10 lakh rupees if we spend 10 lakh rupees in 1 second, if we spend 10 lakh rupees in 1 second, then almost 1900 crore years will it take to spend 1 mole of rupees. I will repeat. If we spend 10 lakh rupees in 1 second and keep on spending, then to completely consume 1 mole rupees, we will require 1900 crore years. So, to count 1 mole, if we want to count 1 mole, then 1900 crore years will be taken. But if we convert mole in terms of number or mole in terms of mass, for example, I have to count 1 mole of carbon atoms, then I will take 12 gram carbon. If we want to calculate 1 mole molecules of water, 1 mole molecules of water, then we will not count it. We will take what is the gram molecular mass of water, 18 gram. So if we want to calculate 1 mole water molecules, then we will take 18 gram water. In 18 gram water, 1 mole water molecules will be there. So mole is expressed in terms of mass, in terms of volume, and in terms of charge for the simplicity, for the sake of simplicity. So this is the mole concept, and it is widely used in numericals, and I think this is the conclusion. This is the conclusion. Mole in numbers is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. In terms of mass, 1 mole is expressed as gram atomic mass of any element, gram molecular mass of any molecule, and in terms of volume, whatsoever gas will be there, if the pressure is maintained, standard temperature pressure, then every gas will occupy 22.4 liter. And if we want to calculate electrons and protons, etc., then when 96500 coulomb charge will be there, it means there will be 1 mole of electrons or 1 mole of protons. So in these terms, the mole concept is expressed. Thank you very much.